Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. In this Valentine's series video, I'm going to show you how to create a really cute, whimsical heart made out of florals. To begin, I'm just sketching out a heart shape on my paper. And of course, as always, all of the supplies that I use are going to be listed below. Now I've roughly mapped out where I want each of my flowers and leaves and greenery and everything to go. I've just used a colored pencil for this. And then I'm just going to start filling it in. I really find that creating a guideline first, a sketch first on your paper is going to really help you with the placement of everything as you start painting. I know it's kind of common sense, but it really does help. I've tried doing things like this before, just going straight in with the paint, and I've just kind of made messes everywhere. The composition didn't look fully put together. So yeah, sketching it out beforehand definitely helps and allows you to reposition things if you need to. For the flowers, I'm just creating a really simple, whimsical style here. I'm just creating circles for the tops of them, and then I'll add a little detail later on. And I'm using the tip of my brush for all of these greenery bits and different shades of green. And I'm just making sure to keep all of the shapes kind of along the edges of the heart so that they kind of flow along those curves. And any white spaces that I see, I'm just going to fill those with little bits and bobs. For this series, I really wanted to create a few different options that were really easy to do, beginner friendly, but that you can also add your own twist on and make a little bit more advanced looking if you choose to. I know that a lot of my subscribers have children or even grandchildren, and this is a great kind of craft or art project to do with them as well. So I like to just give you a guideline and let you kind of do what you want with that. So again here, I'm just making sure to follow the curves of the heart so that I really get that shape in the end, because we're going to be erasing all of the pencil lines and the initial heart. And then I'm just going to fill in all of those extra spaces with some really simplified tulip looking flowers. I'm going to let everything dry completely, and once it's completely dry, I'm going to take my eraser and just erase every single line. Now we're left with our heart shape, and we want to add a little bit of detail. So I'm using my Posca paint pen here. You can also use white gouache, a white gel pen, or if you don't want to use white, you can use a black fine liner marker. So I've just added circles to the insides of those flowers. And here I tried using a really thin brush and creating a little bit of detail that way using the paint. In the end, I decided I didn't like it that way. I wanted to create more with the white. So I went back to my trusty old gel pen. This one is thinner. And I just created lines or veins throughout all of the leaves. And then little dots in the centers of the tiny little flowers. And then I created this scalloped little circular shape around the dots in the center. And a few of the leaves just got a little bit more vein detail just to kind of give it a little bit more white highlight effect. So that's all there is to this one. I hope that you guys liked it. If you did, please give a big thumbs up and let me know below what you want to see in the next video. I really hope to see you guys there.